Hi everyone, it's Anja from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my kitchen. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a regular subscriber, welcome back. It's great to have you here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super quick and easy soup that you can have as an emergency lunch or an emergency dinner, or if you've got someone coming over and you need to quickly throw something together, this has to be the fastest soup or meal imaginable. So recently I went out for lunch with a friend of mine. I ordered myself some sweet corn soup and really loved it. And she gave me this quick and easy tip that I want to share with all of you today. So thank you, Mel, for sharing this tip with me, and I'm going to pass it on. So basically all you need is a can of creamed corn, and I'm going to use probably about half a can's worth. And then I'm just going to add some hot boiled water, and probably about a ratio of half. It depends how thick you want your soup. And then you just give this a bit of a stir and you have an instant creamy sweet corn soup. And it just smells so delicious, and it's not hours of slaving over a hot stove and breaking down corn, which tends to take a long time to cook, even if you make it from scratch using something like frozen corn, which again is a faster way to cook your soup, but this is absolutely the fastest way to get this on the table in just a matter of seconds. And then if you do want to add something extra, you could add in some chickpeas, some cannellini beans, some grilled tofu, whatever you have on hand, even some peas or some extra corn if you want pieces of corn in here. But I like to just add a little bit of smoked paprika on top or some chili flakes, and it's ready to go. It doesn't get easier than this. And serve it with a piece of toast if you like, and you are good to go. You can have company and you can have a meal on the table in just under a minute. It's absolutely amazing. So give this recipe a try and maybe let me know in the comments below what your favorite quick recipe is, or what you would like a quick recipe for, and I'll see what I can come up with. And if you're actually looking to eat plant-based, healthy plant-based meals, then I actually have a free 7-day meal plan down below, so you can download that straight to your computer, print it out and get started straight away with those delicious meals. So I hope you enjoyed today's quick tip, quick emergency soup, and I hope you enjoyed as much as I do, because I'm about to have this for my lunch, and I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Bye for now. It's like it's been cooking for hours. Delicious.
Cooking